Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to download and install Wireshark to your Windows 10. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, to download and install Wireshark to your Windows 10, simply follow my steps. First of all, go to your Google Chrome. Okay, it's so easy. Type Wireshark, download. That's it. Guys, don't worry about the link I will put in the description below. Okay, that's it, the first link here. Okay guys, here if you have a 64-bit Windows, select the first one, 64-bit. If you have a 32-bit, select the second one, 32-bit. So how you can know that? Simply go to your PC icon, right click, properties. As you can see here guys, system type, my system type 64-bit operating system. So if you have a 32-bit here, simply go and install Windows Installer 32-bit. So now I will select the first one, the 64-bit. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, program, start download. Okay, wait till end this download. Okay guys, that's it, it's finished. So now click open and let's run this software. Okay, click next, I agree. Okay, next, Wireshark desktop icon. Okay, check this option, click next, next, and next. Okay, click install. Okay guys, then click I agree again. Okay, click install without select any of these options. Okay, next, finish. Okay, next also. Your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of Wireshark. Okay, I will reboot later. Finish. That's it guys. Now we have a new software, Wireshark. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.